Come over here, we got another 300. Not sure if it's the SRT, but it looked like he did something to it. Definitely. Hold this, my arm getting fucking tired. Yes, he did do something to it. He did something to it for real. It's a 300C on steroids, basically. We got that Charger over here. 5.4 liter. SRT all day, 6.4 liter. Sorry about that, young world. 6.4. I know y'all's gonna claim. He got the K&N. He running K&N. I'm a favorite of K&N too. You know what I'm saying? Running K&N. .4 liter. Nice paint on here too. So we over here, we got Pro Power Tour. Check them out, Power Tour, man. You know what I'm saying? It's Power Tour. Check them out. He got this right here. I like that. Sniff but don't scratch. You know what I'm saying? It's got the red joint. I like the wheels on here too, young world. Man, no wheels, man. Let me know in the comment. Thumbs up, thumb down. Keep it real simple, man. If you like the wheels, I love the wheels on this Charger. He really got it set up deep. You know what I'm saying? I really like the wheels on here. The way he got it set up, man. Check it out. Definitely. And you got the 345 Hemi on there. It's dope. He boosted, definitely. I can hear it. It's nice, man. We got Ninjas out here, man. We got them fat boys. We got them cruisers out here. Kawasaki Ninjas out here. Let y'all see them joints right there. Motorcycle boys out here, man. Lovely, man. You know what I'm saying? I love that, man. I love it. I love it. I hope y'all love it. Let's check out some more stuff. Let's walk around again. I want to see that. You know what? I want to see that vet. Let's go back over there by that vet. You know what I'm saying?
Where's my dad?
You got over there, you got that Ford. It's dope. We over here by that vet. Let's check it out. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do a second round on that vet. Super GS, man. This might just win today. It might just win today. His wheels. It's got the lower, it's got the front. Look at that. It's got the body kit on there. Like the ZR1. The ZR1. Actually, the ZR1 has that too. It's got the red mirrors, rear accents. When you do stuff like that, it really kills it. Then he has the red on the dash, and he has the red guts and shit. That killed it right there. Y'all can see that right there.
He's got a Superman.
You know what I mean?
Oops, sorry, sir.
It's all right.
This one's my favorite so far.
And he's got the front. Check out the front, young world.
That's the one. I like that
one. It's E28. Look at this. Old school model. Z28. Camaro. Look at that engine. The engine is dope. I love the paint on here. This one I love too. It's one of my favorites.
That gentleman right there.
This your Corvette?
Pardon me?
This your Corvette?
Yeah, but your daughter was asking who owned that car.
Okay.
That gentleman.
Give y'all a little look. They boosted and stuff. Ain't nobody really doing too much though. But I really like this TA though. Check this out. Z28, real beautiful, original color, lines. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. That Firebird is dope too with the white guts. That's dope too. And I like how this is the original though. When you see that right there, and it has the nostrils right there. This is a runner-up, definitely. I'll let y'all look about this Firebird, man. Let me know, thumbs up, thumbs down. Keep it simple, man. I don't need paragraphs and shit. Keep it simple. Tires on Tarmac, man. It's your man D-Dub, man. Y'all rock with me, man. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Also share my videos, man. Rock with me, man. We heading towards 500, man. Rock with the kid, man. Like the video, man. I'll rock with y'all soon, man. Stay sucker free.